Hey, it's Liv. Oh, that's not what I do anymore. Oh my god. It's getting so much worse. Holy f***. Holy shit. My cameraman Fraser and I were watching this video on YouTube. It's called Hot Ones, and it's celebrities being interviewed, and as they're being interviewed, each question they get asked, they get a hotter hot sauce. And our thought was that no one's ever tried this with makeup tutorial. So today I'm going to be eating vegan chicken nuggets because I don't eat chicken. Yeah, I'm a little bit nervous, but excited at the same time.
I think it's gonna be fun.
And yeah, let's get started here. The first hot sauce I have is Sriracha, a classic. So I'm just gonna okay. First things first, we're gonna prime our skin with this CoverFX blurring primer. And now I'm going to do my foundation with the Colourpop No Filter foundation, which is my favorite foundation. It is nice and matte, but not too heavy. Now I'm gonna blend this in with a damp beauty blender. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the Colourpop No Filter concealer under my eyes and some other areas to highlight and make my skin look very smooth and perfect. And now I'm gonna go in with the RCMA No Color Powder with a big fluffy brush and just blend everything out. So next I'm gonna fill in my brows with the black shade from the Pretty Vulgar Nightingale palette. But first I'm gonna eat this little nug. I got this. All right, that was nothing. I love Cholula, I put on everything. So next I'm gonna fill in my brows with this black color from the Nightingale palette by Pretty Vulgar. Now for contour, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in light medium. I'm just going to go in with this middle shade right here. And now I'm going to put a little bit of blush on, and I'm going to use the Pretty Vulgar Make Me Blush in Hush. The color is Hush. And I'm just going to dust this over my cheeks and bring it up so it makes my face look very elegant and uplifted. Okay. So for my eyeshadow look today, I'm going to use the Colourpop Element of Surprise palette. I'm getting a little bit nervous now. Just to do a nice little everyday look. And for priming, I'm going to use this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. Ooh, okay. Okay. Okay, all right. This isn't doing anything. Oh my god. I don't even know how I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do eyeshadow while I have all my milk in my mouth. That's what I'm gonna do. So I can't tell you what I'm doing. It's so bad. How long does it last? My whole mouth is like filling with spit. I'm like worried it's physically hurting me, like burning me. Why would anyone eat that? Oh, fuck. Got this nice maroon color in the crease. And now I'm gonna do a nice little bronze on the lid here. I did not put primer on because I figured I could use my tears as a primer. I'm so nervous. I don't know what's gonna happen because that was really bad. So now I'm gonna put mascara on. I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen. That was so bad. Like, that was really bad. I'm like really nervous. Oh, my throat. It's more of like a deep guttural burn. So I feel like I could just, it's a different kind of burn, you know? It's getting hotter. What the fuck? It's getting hotter as time goes on. It's like a delayed effect. Oh my fucking god. Okay, I'm gonna try to speed this up because I just want to get it over with. No, I have to do stuff. I haven't done anything. I'm like suffering. Oh, okay. I don't see how it could get hotter than this. Ugh. It's really bad. It's like really bad. I'm gonna put my highlighter on and then the last thing is lipstick. Exhaling hurts. Oh my god. Fraser, it's really bad. Like, I don't know how people do this. How long does this last? Like, on the real, like, I know you're lying to me. Like, right now it's so bad that I'm like, I don't even care. Yeah, I know later I'll laugh at this, but like right now I'm like really in pain. I feel like I should just stop being stupid. Okay, the last thing is lipstick, and for lipstick I'm gonna use this Hank & Henry liquid lipstick in the color Petal Pusher. It smells like frosting. This is the last hot sauce. Meditation, meditation, meditation. Whoa. This one seems to be having a delayed effect as well. Okay. As good as it's gonna get. That's it, that's it. That's a lipstick. That's it. That's it. That was the last one. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Oh my god, it's getting worse. It's doing the delayed effect. Oh my god. My hands are shaking, like. Okay.
Okay, we gotta get those glamour shots. Hang on before you.
So I have a challenge. If any other makeup artist on YouTube thinks that they can do this as well, I think it would be hilarious if it became a makeup challenge while eating hot sauce, like very hot sauce. So tag your favorite makeup artist, share this with your favorite beauty guru on Instagram or YouTube, and let's see if we can get some other people to do this. All right, bye.